Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube and TikTok page. In today's lesson, we'll be learning how to solve exam questions that have to do with Frustum of a coin. So in today's question, we'll be solving 2025 Paper 2 internal, which came in the November-December exam. So, in case you might be wondering, how do we solve such a question if it comes in the exam room? Take note, this question can come either under GCE or internal. So, our first question here, we've been told to find the radius. How do you find the radius? So, this is the formula we use. Big radius over big height is equals to small radius over small height. So we get the similarities. What is our big radius? Our big radius, so we have a diameter. We have not been given a radius, we have only been given a diameter. So if you find the distance from A to E, this is the distance from A to E. Now we want the half of this diameter. What is half of this diameter? What is half of 12? It is 6. So we're going to say 6 over big height. What is this height? This height we've been given, it is 18 centimeters. So we put our 18 here, then we cross equals. Radius, what is our small radius? We have not been given yet. We don't know the radius, so we're going to say x over what is over small height. What is our small height? Our small height is 6. It is 6. Our small height is 6. We're going to cross multiply. When we cross multiply, it's going to be 6 times 6. 6 times 6 over 18. What is 6 times 6? 6 times 6 is equals to 36. 36 divided by 18. 18 into 36, we're finding 2 centimeters. So our radius here, it is 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. This is how we find our radius. It is 2 centimeters. So now that we have found our radius to be 2 centimeters here. So here, our radius meaning that this is the half. From here, this distance, the half, it is 2 centimeters. Now, we can proceed to the next question. The next question is telling us, find the volume of the bucket. Now they want us to find the volume of the bucket. So how do we find the volume of the brackets? Well, the volume of the frustum I meant. So we use this formula. Volume is equals to height over 3 pi open bracket radius so this is the formula, big radius multiplied by big radius small radius now plus r small radius. So this is now the formula we use. Now let's find the volume of this bucket now. So this is height. What is our height? So we have to take note. So we have to say the big height minus the small height, which will be 18 minus 6. So this is paper 2. So we say 18 minus 6. It is giving us a 12. So here on height, going to be a 12 over 3 times pi 3.1. Open bracket. Now, what was our radius? Our radius, which we had, was 6. 6 was 6. So we're going to say 6 to the power 2 plus our big radius here times our small radius plus, what was our small radius we found? We found 2, which was this, the half of this. The half of this diameter was 2 centimeters. So which will be 2 to the power 2. We close the bracket. Now we work these fins inside. 6. So we work with this. We simplify these fins now. 6 to the power 2. This is, so we do this. 12 times pi. 12 times pi. So 12 times 3.142. It's giving us 37,704. This is the value it's giving me when I punch on my calculator, divide by 3. Now let me work out these fins. 6 to the power 2, this is 36, plus 6 times 2. 6 times 2, it is giving us a 12. A 12 plus 4. So now let's work this fin out together. So let's work it together now. So let's add this fin. I think this is giving us 52 if I'm not mistaken, plus 4. So 36 plus 12 plus 4, 52. So volume is equals to this 0.4 times 52 divide by 3. Divide by 3. So 52 times 3704. So when we punch, it's giving us volume is equals to, it's giving us this ratio. So when we punch here on the calculator, we punch here, so we divide by 3. We divide by 3. When we divide by 3 here, our volume is equals to 653.5. So 6 cubic centimeter. Now we leave it in 3 significant figures. So we leave it like this. 0.5. This 5. This 5 like this. Then we have solved together. Thank you very much for joining me. Please share the page. For those who'd be interested for online lessons, you can get in touch with me through the profile picture there on my profile pic. It has my contact details and also online lessons, which are only for monthly. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. God bless.